How to fix Snapchat temporarily disabled. For this, go ahead and search for Snapchat support and tap on the fast suggestion shown. So right here, go ahead and tap on My account is compromised. So right here, you have to tap on I can't access my account, and at the bottom one, you can go ahead and select the option of My account is locked. Then again, go ahead and select the option of I can't access my account, and at the bottom, choose the option of I think my account is compromised. Now, enter the username linked to your Snapchat account, your email address, your mobile number, and in this description box, go ahead and mention your problem. For an example, you can write, Hi Snapchat team, my account is temporarily disabled. However, I have not violated any of the community guidelines. Please help or kindly help. Once you do that, tap on the submit bubble right here, and just like that, your ticket will be sent to the Snapchat team and they will get back to you after a couple of days with a solution. So make sure to give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.